Welcome to our house. My name is Danielle. I live here with my husband Alvin and our little baby AJ. Once you walk into our house, you'll see a specially commissioned piece from a Penang old craftsman. It's called a Tang Hao. Anting represents my husband's Chinese surname Liang. So in our house, you will see that there is consistently straight vertical lines throughout the design. This is the vertical ventilation block and also the vertical fluid carpentry. We really especially like this piece of American walnut book match slab dining table. And this is my favorite corner of the house where I normally read and enjoy some quiet time. We have a lot of secret storage in this house. So behind this concealed door, we have a storeroom. And even behind this mirror feature, we have a full-size shoe rack.
Welcome to the study and guest room. So this is where I do my work when it's work from home. And right here, this is meant to be the area where we can put a queen-size bed, but right now, we are using it as my gym area. So I put the dumbbell set here, my bench here, and these doors here are slidable, so we can open up the space when we need to use this space for workouts.
We converted one big single unit of kitchen into the dry and wet kitchen. So where you see here is the dry kitchen where we have most of the appliances here. We included a small induction cooker to do some light late night cooking like Maggie, and we normally do our dishes here with a view, so it's breezy out there. Let's go to the wet kitchen now. This is the wet kitchen where we have a lot of storage around, and this is a circulating hood where the exhaust and heat will be traveled into an exhaust pipe on above the false ceiling through the window.
This is my whiskey corner. As you can see, the design of this bar ties into the rest of the house. Then this area, that's where I store all my whiskey glasses, beer glasses. And what I have here is my microbrewery. Usually I take 4 weeks to get a batch ready. And right now I have one IPA that's like just ready to drink. Here you go. The homebrew IPA. Enjoy.
As this EA is an older unit with only 2 bathrooms, we converted the common bathroom into 3 functional units where the WC is here, the shower is on the other end, and we bring the sink out and double it as a laundry sink too. Welcome to our private area. This is the nursery, where baby and I spend most of the time reading and playing around here. Our master bedroom is separated by one sliding door. This is the master bedroom. We have the common theme of the ventilation block from the living room to here. And we have a secret. This is a projector. After our child goes to sleep, my husband and I will enjoy some quiet moments with some movies. Behind the bed head, we have our walk-in wardrobe with tons of storage, and this is the vanity.